Hello, in this tutorial we're going to show how to toggle between the math editor and the graph window. First we need to enter in a function. We're going to enter a simple function of f of x is equal to POW x comma 3. What this is telling the math editor that we're using the power function, which takes the base of x and raises it to the exponent of 3, or in other words, x cubed. Once we have that entered into our math editor, we can go ahead and go to the graph window. One way to do that is to right-click your mouse button and click on Show Graph Window. This will bring up the graph dialog box. We've already pre-populated this with everything that we need. But for your review, we've entered in a graph name and added it to our graph list. We're graphing a function, so we click here. We have a defined function, and it's been added to our functions to be graph list, so we go ahead and click Next. We've set our upper and lower limits to our variable of x and labeled the number of points we wish to have graphed, which in this case is 25. Clicking Next. We've decided to use a line graph here. We can change this type of graph to a number of different things. Clicking Next. We've entered in our titles for our header and our axes. Clicking Next. We've selected our colors. Now we are finished, and we can go ahead and click Finish, which builds our graph. If we want to toggle back to the math editor, we simply right-click our mouse, click Show Math Window, and it brings us back to our editor. Another way to toggle back and forth is to use our toolbar. As you can see, this toolbar button is the Show Math Window button, which we are currently on, so it is highlighted. This button right next to it is the Show Graph Window button, and if we click on that, we will not have to step through what we've done since we've already done it, and it will bring up our graph. The dialog box has already been filled out. We've clicked OK, so it's all been done for us. We don't have to redo it every time. We can quickly toggle back and forth between our windows using the toolbar, or again, right-clicking and showing the window. I hope this has been helpful. If you wish to view additional tutorials, please click on our Tutorials toolbar button and visit our website at www.mathmechanics.com/downloads. Thank you.